Afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper of Thursday, July the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, this evening there's a Republican National Convention with Trump, yeah, after he's been shot in his ear. Alright, let me continue. Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number 8921. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. That's a lot. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Cannot be a 3 stars. Well, for a 3-stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Maybe a 1 star. Okay, for 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only 1. Oh, here I've overlooked this single box. Yeah. Dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, we have 1 dual box. 1 and 2, well, this box can be 2. So that box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. The 2 is already given. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 4 here. We have a 4 here. Should be a 5 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra. Oh, I overlooked this triple box. We have another triple box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it can be 5 and more. This box should be a 4. Okay. Let me continue with the quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do you have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the T shape upside down? The T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more T-shapes? Here, another one. This T-shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Well, and in this case, it's a 1 or a 3, but it can be a 1. We have a 1 here. Should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Is connected with that box, will be also a 1 here. Then the following shape, how about this shape here? Oh, let me draw this shape. This one is better. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 to 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 3. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. Well, let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and 3. Interesting. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. Well. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, Definitely a 5. Okay, this can't be 5 anymore. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box should be so 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box should be so 1. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box should be also 4. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. For the 5. 2 and the 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box, so 1 and 3, but we already have a 1 here. Can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. 0 stars. Faster than 14-15 minutes, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.